Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to math class. All of you listen here. Our chapter factors and multiples. This is the third part of this session. Today we are going to discuss about prime factorization. Last class we learned the two type of numbers. One is prime number and second one is composite number. Prime numbers are numbers with only two factors. For example, 3. 3 is a prime number. Its factor are 3 and 1 only. 2, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, etc. are the example of prime numbers. The second one is composite numbers. All numbers that are not prime numbers are called composite numbers. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 18, 21, 24, etc. are the example of composite number. Now, coming today's topic, prime factorization. Page number 108. Factorization means splitting a number into its factors. For example, 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8 are all factors of 8. But are all of them prime? No. Because 4 and 8 can be factorized further. 8 is equal to 2 into 4. Since 2 is prime number, we say that 2 is the prime factor of 8. One more example, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are all factors of 12. But are all of them prime? No, because 4, 6 and 12 can be factorized further. 12 is equal to 4 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 is 12. Since 2 and 3 are both prime numbers, we say that 2 and 3 are the prime factors of 12. Next, 45. Factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45 are all factors of 45. But are all of them prime? No, because 9, 15 and 14 can be factorized further. 45 is equal to 9 into 5. The same way 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 45. Since 3 and 5 are both prime numbers, we say that 3 and 5 are the prime factors of 45. All of you got idea about prime factorization? Coming to two methods about finding factors of number. First method is factor tree method. Second one is division method. Let us see first factor tree method. This method is used to find the prime factors of the number. For example, 20. We can factorize 20. Look here, we can factorize 20. Two into 10 is equal to 20. 2 is prime number. 10 is composite number. So we will split 10 again as product of prime. Two into 5, 10. We know 2 5s are 10. Here, both 2 and 5 are prime number. So, we will stop here because there are no composite number. Factor of 20 are 1, 2, 5, 10 and 20. I hope you have understood how 20 have split using factor tree method. Now let's solve one more example so that it is more and more clear to you about factorization. Now again we will follow the same method, factorize 24 into its prime factors. We will split into 2 into 12. We know 2 12s are 24. Here we can see 2 is prime. Now 12 is again a composite number. So what we will do? We will split 12 again. So now we will split 12 as 2 into 6. Here we can see 2 is prime and 6 is composite. So again we will split 6 as product of prime. The prime factorization of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Is it clear? I hope you have understood how to find factor through factor tree methods. One more example from your textbook. Factorize 150 into its prime factors by the factor tree method. 150. We can factorize 150. Three is prime number. 50 is composite number. Split 50. Now 5 is prime number. 10 is composite number. So factorize 10. Five into 2 are prime numbers. The prime factorization of 150 is 3, 5 and 2. Is it clear? Let us learn and practice more about prime factorization. Now let's use upside down division method and do the prime factorization, division method. So find the factors of 54 using the prime factorization method. So we have 54. Let us learn second factorization method, that is division method. Find the factors of upside down division method and do the prime factorization. So find the factors of 54 using the prime factorization division method. So we have 54. How do we start? We will find the smallest possible prime number which exactly divides 54 without any remainder. Once more, we will find the smallest possible prime number which exactly divides 54 without any remainder. As we can see, 54 is an even number. So we can start the division by 2, which is the smallest even prime number. So we will do division by 2. After dividing, we will write the quotient here on the downside. So how many 2's in 5? 2 times 2 2's are 4. Remainder is 1. Now 14. How many 2's in 14? 7 times 7 into 2's are 14. Write 7. Quotient is 27. 27 is an odd number. So we cannot divide by 2. 2, which is the smallest even prime number. Let us try with 3. How many 3 in 2? 0. Next, how many 3 in 27? 9 3s are 27. Write quotient 9. Again, the quotient is an odd number. So we can do the division by 3, the smallest odd number. How many 3s in 9? 3. 3 3s are 9. Now we got 3, which is again a prime number, and so we need to divide by itself. That is 3 ones are 3. So what do we see here? Here we see we got all the factors which are prime numbers. 2, 3, 3 and 3. Is it clear? So what do we see here? Here we see we got all the factors which are prime numbers. 2, 3, 3 and 3. Is it clear? One more example from your textbook. Factorize 40 into its prime factors using the division method. How do we start? We will find the smallest possible prime number which exactly divides 40 without any remainder. As we can see, 40 is an even number. So we can start with the division by 2, which is the smallest even number. So we will do division by 2. How many 2's in 40? It is 20. Quotient is 20. 20 is an even number, so we can do the division by 2. 2 is the smallest even prime number. How many 2's in 20? How many 2's in 20? Quotient is 10. Again, even number. We can do division by 2. How many 2's in 10? Yes, 5. Quotient is 5. Now this is an odd number, so we cannot divide by 2, which is the smallest even prime number. 5, it is exactly divisible by 5. So let us do the division by 5. Quotient is 1. The prime factorization of 40 are 2, 2, 2, 5 and 1. Okay. All of you clear the two methods of prime factorization? Today's session ends here. Please note your homework. Page number 108, exercise number 4.2. Check if the following numbers are divisible by 2 and 4. 6018, 18,120, 28,550, 69,418. Check if the following numbers are divisible by 2 and 4. All are even number. A number with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place, it is divisible by 2. In given number 8, 0, 0, 8. So all numbers are divisible by 2. How to find to check the number is divisible by 4? If the number formed by the digits in the tens and ones places is divisible by 4, the number is divisible by 4. First question, 18. 18 not divisible by 4. Second one is 20. Yes, 5 times 4 are 20. So 80,120 is divisible by 2 and 4. Third one 50 not divisible by 4. Last one 18. No. Only one number 18,120 is divisible by 2 and 4. Okay. Question number 2. Check if the following number are divisible by 5 and 10. 12,650, 81,055, 84,720, 64,850. When the ones place of the given number has 0, the number divisible by 10. And ones place either 5 or 0, it is divisible by 5. Ones place is given number has 0, the number divisible by 10. And ones place either 5 or 0, it is divisible by 5. First question, 12,650. Ones place is 0, it is divisible by 10 and 5. Second one, 81,055. Ones place is 5, it is divisible by 5 only. Third one, 84,720. 0, ones place is 0, it is divisible by 10 and 5. Last one, 64,850. Ones place is 0, it is divisible by 10 and 5. So 12,650, 84,720, 64,850 are divisible by 10 and 5. Okay. Question number 3. Check if the following numbers are divisible by 3 and 9. 4,312, 7,866, 19,999, 78,197. Sum of the digit of the given number is divisible by 3. Then the number divisible by 3. Sum of the digit of the given number is divisible by 3. The number divisible by 3. Sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 9. Then the number divisible by 9. 2 points. Sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 3. The number is divisible by 3. Sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 9. Then the number is divisible by 9. Let's check. 4 plus 3, first question, 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 10. Total is 10, not divisible by 3 and 9. Second one, 7 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 27. Yes, 27 is divisible by 3 and 9. Third one, 9 plus 0 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 is equal to 36. 36. Yes, divisible. 36 is divisible by 3 and 9. Last one, 7 plus 8 plus 1 plus 9 plus 7 is equal to 32. 32 is not divisible of 3 and 9. Is it clear? Question number 4. Check the following numbers are divisible by 6. 68,526, 4,366, 10,658, 63,996. The given number is divisible by both 2 and 3, it will be divisible by 6. The given number is divisible by both 2 and 3. It will be divisible by 6. All given numbers are even numbers. So both are divisible by 2. How to check is 3 divisible or not? Add the number. 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 27. Yes, it is. Yes, it is divisible by 3. Second one, 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 19. Not divisible by 19 is not divisible by 3. Third one, 1 plus 0 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 20. No. Last one, 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 9 plus 6 is equal to 33. Yes, 33 is divisible by 3. So 68,526 and 63,996 are divisible by 6. Next one. Check the following numbers are divisible by 8. 54,112, 99,880, 4,32,329, 63,872. If the number formed by the last 3 digits of the given number, that are ones, tens and hundreds place, is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. Once more, if the number formed by the last 3 digits of given number, that are ones place, tens place and hundreds, is divisible by 8, the number is divisible by 8. First one, 54,112. Last 3 digit is 112. 14 into 8 are 112. It is divisible by 8. Second one, 99,880. Last 3 digit is 880. 110 into 8 are 880. It is divisible by 8. Third one, 4,32,329. Last 3 digit is odd number. Fourth one, 329. It is odd number, not divisible by 8. Fourth one, 63,872. Last 3 digits is 872. 109 into 8 are 872. It is divisible by 8. Last question. Check if the following numbers are divisible by 11. 1,46,157, 67,19,333, 4,32,982, 24,312. How to check the given number is divisible by 11? Difference between the sum of the digits in the odd place and the sum of the digit in the even places is divisible by 11 or 0. The number divisible by 11. First question, first even number. 4 plus 1 plus 7 is equal to 12. Odd number. 1 plus 6 plus 5 is equal to 12. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. It is divisible by 11. Second one, even number. 7 plus 0 plus 3 is equal to 10. Odd number. 6 plus 9 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 21. 21 minus 10, 11. So it is divisible by 11. Third one, even number. 3 plus 9 plus 2 is equal to 14. Odd number. 4 plus 2 plus 8 is equal to 14. 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. It is divisible by 11. Last one, even number. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Odd number. 2 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 7. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. It is not divisible by 11. All of you clear? Your second homework, page number 110, exercise number 4.3. Fill in the boxes of the factor tree A to D. That is, do in your textbook. Second and 3, page number 111. Do in your notebook. That is all for today. Complete your homework and send to school WhatsApp. Thank you.